The Risk Register module is the primary module for qualitative risk analysis and management. The Risk Register ribbon has two tabs, Project and Risks. The Projects tab includes the portfolio hierarchy, which is a hierarchical representation of your project portfolio, which allows you to manage risks at any level of your organization. The Risks tab includes the Risk Register, Risk Dashboard Risk Report, Mitigation Response, Risk Matrix, and Risk Trend Views. When you open a node in the Projects hierarchy, the Risk Register view will display all of the risks that are being managed at this project or program level, which is indicated by the label at the top right. If you have administration permission, you can configure the risk system in Settings. This includes categories, risk ID, risk matrices, and properties, and a detailed tutorial on how to configure this system is available in our tutorial library. The Risk Register view can be customized by adding, hiding, or modifying a column. You can create custom filters based on particular properties as well as use the hierarchy filter drop-down list based on preset parameters. Risk registers can have multiple views. Click the plus to create a new view. This view can be renamed, copied, moved, and given custom colors. Each risk includes a risk form, a view for data entry of key risk information. It can be customized by an administrator. Custom properties includes all risk properties. Mitigation includes a mitigation waterfall chart for risk planning. Risk history includes a table of all changes to the risk over the risk life cycle. Documents allows you to include risk-specific documentation to support management efforts.